when you are wanting people to watch your videos for a longer period of time or just have a good experience so that they like your video, they comment, they subscribe, they come back, they want to watch more of you, and that you become their go-to person, like the idea there is that you just focus on them. So because of that, after your hook, just get right into the content. Now, of course, in some cases, you're going to want to, start to build up a little bit of a story there. Maybe you put in some pain points, hey, have you ever, when you're trying to, thread your fishing hook, have you ever run into this problem to where your fingers is too fat and big? Well, I'm going to show you how to get around that here later in the video by cutting off your fingers. But, the idea is that you just kind of build up a little bit of a story to where they can, resonate a little bit deeper. You can do that as well. But for me personally, I just get right into it. But, the part about touching those pain points, that can be really effective though, because then you have people that are watching the video and they're like, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, my fingers are fat. Yeah, like when I'm trying to thread my fishing hook, like I get it. Sometimes maybe I've thrown back a few many while I've been on the canoe, and it's just hard getting that. I can't even. I'm seeing like 8 different fishing hooks. I'm trying to get this thing in here, right? But basically, being able to relate to your viewers in that way is really powerful. And then building up like these are all the problems that you're having. I'm going to give you the solution. Let's get into it, and then you start delivering, on the actual content itself.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.